So Joe's installing the new battery because the old one took a dump. Yeah. So Joe, could you tell us why the old battery failed?
Somebody didn't check the water in it.
Oh, I wonder
It was dry, bone dry.
Oh, I wonder who that somebody could be.
Like a desert with no nails in it.
I wonder who that someone could be. Not me.
Whoever's truck it is. And plus this battery cable over here.
Yeah.
The truck have corroded.
The battery cable's corroded?
PT have corroded, yeah.
Oh. Well, not to worry. I got a new battery, and I even got a warranty with the battery. So yeah, battery has a warranty from Kragen Auto Parts. Woohoo! Yeah. So if this doesn't work, just gotta take it back to Kragen.
What do you mean if it don't work? Look at that face.
Oh.
Start it up.
Okay, now I gotta start my truck. Hey, let me see if this horn works. Hey, it works! Okay, well that's a good sign. Let's see. The moment of truth. If it'll start up.
Get out of here.
It's in park. Woo! Wow! Brand new battery in it.